Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the monthly reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Leo. So let's see how the month of August 2021 is going to be for the sign of Leo. I will be adding oracle cards and color cards in this reading, but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Leos, let's dive into the read. Let's find out what can you expect in the month of August. I could see Justice and the Lovers while I was shuffling. So seems like you will be getting some sort of divine help, divine support when it comes to your love life situation that you are dealing with right now. If you are unattached, if you are single, you have a strong chance of meeting the one. If you are in a relationship, or if you are in a separation from a person that you once had a relationship, you will be getting divine help in some sort of getting things back together or having the closure so you could move on. So there will be some sort of divine help coming in the month of August for Leo. So let's see what else can you have for the Leos in the month of August. The Hermit, Page of Cups, and Ten of Pentacles. Wow. And in the deck we do have the Seven of Cups. You are already picking up some signs, picking up some messages coming from the divine already around the situation that you are dealing with in your love life right now. You might find yourself thinking a lot about a specific someone, love, relationships. It seems like, the good thing about you thinking heavily around it is that you are thinking positive. You are thinking in alignment, or how to get in alignment to get what you want. So it's more of that energy where you are thinking, but thinking the thoughts that will get you the results, not the thoughts that will just waste your time, which could be negative thoughts, past patterns, past relationships, and stuff like that. You are thinking about what do you desire. You are thinking about how can you get there. You are thinking about how can you make things right. You are thinking about what effort do you need to put on your part to make it happen. So I feel like you are basically contemplating on the current situation that you are dealing with in your love life and trying to figure things out and plan forward. So it's more of that energy. The month of August is going to be very important for you, where you're gonna seeing things through the right way, and you will be getting support, help coming from the divine. For those of you who have been finding it very hard to open up about their emotions to the person, I feel like there will be some sort of strength that you would be getting. There will be some past patterns which used to make you fearful about expressing your love, that you are going to be leaving behind. With the help of divine, you will feel strong enough to leave those patterns, to break free from that old beliefs and express your love. If you had hard time expressing your feelings, emotions, I do see that it's more of if it was a person's, if it used to be a person's attitude towards you, where they used to hold themselves back, and their emotions, they will be healing. They will be, as you heal, as you contemplate, as you meditate, you will find your life getting better and easy. And if your life is getting easy, that means every area of your life is getting easy. So I feel like if they have been the one who were holding themselves back, they will be coming forward too. If you have been the one finding it hard to express love, you will be finding it easy to do so, to take actions towards what you want. I feel like this month of August is going to be very abundant, be that in love, work, home life situation, financial matters. I do see a lot of growth here. I do see a lot of help coming from the divine. So it's more of you having the alignment to get whatever you want. So it's going to be a blessed month for majority of you, and I feel like you will be taking steps that's going to take you closer to your wishes fulfilled life. Underneath the deck we do have the Seven of Cups. Underneath that we do have Eight of Pentacles. Underneath that we do have the Judgment. So you're definitely getting the rewards and fruits of your labor. Now I feel like for majority of you, you would be working towards what your desire is silently. I don't see you sharing it out until unless it's done, and that is also recommended as well. If you are manifesting, if you are trying to create something for yourself, keep it to yourself until unless it's materialized and you are ready to show it off to the people around you. keep it secret, keep it kind of up to just to yourself. Don't share it out, because you might get some people who could be jealous of you. So don't break it out until and unless it's ready, until and unless it's now protected to get hurt by other, or to get affected by other people and their negative intentions. So just protect that. Let's see which two colors could be lucky for you in the month of August. Tangerine, be spontaneous and have fun. Number 17. I feel like that's exactly what you would be doing. I feel like for majority of you would be having fun co-creating what you want. So you might be using a lot of law of attraction techniques. You might be having a lot of visualizations done. I do see you spending a long time every single day in silent, in isolation, to manifest, because it's more of a when you start staying alone or lonely, not lonely, alone in isolation, and that gives you the power that you always wanted, the alignment that you always seeked. It's very addictive energy, it's very addictive, and I feel like you're gonna start enjoying that. Why? Because you would know that more you spend time thinking thoughts that you want to manifest, the more are the chances that they are going to get reflected in your reality, and that's going to make you feel like, oh my god, this is happening, I'm the magician. So you will have that positive energy around you. So I feel like you're going to be having a lot of fun seeing what you want to manifest for real. Let's see one more card here. So the orange shade of orange is also going to be lucky for you. Number 17, 17th of August could be a significant date as well. Then we do have lavender, connect to body, mind, and soul. It's more again of alignment. Number 44, or 44 could be a significant number for you as well, or 8 as well could be a significant number for you as well. But I feel like lavender, you can wear this color clothes, or if not, you can always light some lavender candles as well. It is also going to help you to bring mind, peace, and soul in alignment as well. Mind, body, and soul in alignment as well. So it's going to help you stay aligned. It's going to help you in meditation and becoming kind of peaceful from inside. So you can try that as well. But yeah, let's see more cards here. Rejection, gossip. I feel like you are rejecting anything and everything negative that you might have been kind of letting in your life right now. You are not going to listen to anyone, and maybe, like I said, you are going to choose to stay isolated most of the times. So it's more like people are going to feel like maybe you are cutting them off, and that's perfectly fine. If they feel so, let it be so. You will be cutting off people, rejecting things, thoughts that can corrupt your mind in this situation, because you are ready to manifest the life that you desire. Plus, one more thing I would like to kind of give a warning about. You will be in such an alignment where you can manifest any thought that you think of. So make sure that you don't think any unwanted thought, something that you don't want to manifest, because maybe you will manifest just that as well. Because it's more of you in that vibration. Whatever you're going to say, whatever you're going to think, whatever you're going to feel, you will manifest it easily. So make sure you are always thinking positive, happy, and excited thoughts about your future that you want to see yourself having, rather than investing thinking about anything not so positive. So make sure you do that. Adventure, dare to do things differently, manifest your travel dreams, move to a new location. For some of you might be planning to visit someone, to travel, maybe with your person or yourself. Like I said, it's going to be time where you would prefer to be alone. Why? Because you would feel like you have all the power then. So spending some time alone could be your thing as well in this in this month's time. You might be like I said, silently manifesting your dreams, and people would find like, oh my god, what's happening, why this person is getting lucky. So it's more of what's causing you to become, or what's making you become lucky. It's your inner knowing, it's your alignment with abundance is getting you all what you wanted. Let's see one last card. Spend quality time together. Listen and talk to each other. Listen and talk to each other means to yourself as well, and to the one that you love as well. I feel like you will be having a good time spent with your person as well in the month of August. But again, it's more like the more you spend alone time, the more are the chances that you would be getting what you wanted in your love life as well. So manifest, think happy thoughts, and yeah, and enjoy your life to the fullest, because it's going to be a abundant month for you. So yeah, this pretty much it coming up for you for this reading. If the reading resonated or if it helped you in one way or the other, do like, share, and subscribe. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, till I do the next read for you guys, take care, bye bye.